let's make a massive bow. For my supplies, I have this project foam. This is a 1-inch foam that I got at Walmart. Now we need to cut this in half. To conclusion that I would need a third roll of foam because I want to use this whole thing for one side of the bow and have this massive bow. Can you imagine a second piece with these ribbons? I will shorten this a little bit. I bought this leveler over here and I absolutely love it, so I don't need to use ruler. I am cutting this much from the length of the actual bow piece. Grabbing my pieces, and I need to cover them with this fabric. I am using hot glue gun. I want to give my ends a little bit of an angle. No, 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 no. I cut the wrong piece. Brought back the piece that I cut off. There's another one. This piece, I will hot glue it back to its piece. And this one, I'm gonna cover it with fabric. I'm gonna glue it back into this piece. This is gonna be the back of the bow when you scrunch it. It's already glued to its original piece and looks like it's gonna work. Let's repeat the same process. Let's cover this with fabric. Oh, you guys, look how pretty. These are the pieces that I was supposed to cut. You know what? I thought this bow will take me no time. It's going to be extremely quick. Oh boy, how I was wrong. Remember those long pieces that I accidentally cut? Well, I fixed one. It was a very easy fix. I just glued foam together with hot glue and it's totally fine. This piece, I already wrapped this piece in fabric. I have this that I need to attach to this piece. So let me cover this in fabric, and I am going to glue two pieces together. Hopefully that's going to work. Now I need to shape my bow. This is one side and here is the other. I'm gonna shape them separately and then I'm going to combine them, glue them probably. To scrunch it, I'm going to be using zip ties. Looks. I am not sure about these two holding on with the hot glue. I think I want to grab some gaffer tape and I want to tape this all around a few times to make sure that these two will hold together for sure. I have this piece of foam that I've covered with fabric specifically for the middle of my bow. Glue these ribbons straight to my bow.